Hey guys, we're going to jump right in the video today, and I'm going to start off by brushing my brows with a spoolie. This is just going to make sure that my brows are all going in the same direction, and it's going to be really easy to work with that way. Next, I'm going to use a dark brown eyebrow pencil by Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to start by outlining the bottom of my brow. After outlining the bottom, I'm just going to move on and do the same thing that I did to the top of my brow. Then I'm just going to start by filling in the middle of my brow once I'm done outlining the top and the bottom. Then I'm going to go back and just lightly outline the beginning of my brow and use the spoolie to just fade it out a bit. And notice how when I first started doing my brow, I didn't start right at the beginning, but more so a little behind it. This is going to give it that fading effect. And I'm just going back and fixing whatever I wasn't satisfied with. And now I'm just going to move on and do the exact same thing to my other brow. So next I'm going to use concealer to outline my brows. This is going to make them look super sharp and clean up any mistakes I made from the beginning. This is also why you don't have to worry about your brows being perfect in the beginning, because once you start using the concealer, it's going to bring everything together. And once you get it the way you want, you're just going to move on to the top and do the same exact thing. So after I'm finished outlining both of my brows, I'm just going to use the rest of the concealer left on the brush and then blend in the middle. I'm going to go back and blend out the rest of the concealer around my brows. And then once everything is done, I'm just going to add a little bit of highlighter in my brow bone, and then I'm going to just blend it out. These are the results once I'm finished. I'm obviously not a makeup artist, but these are just the steps that I use on getting really nice brows. I hope you found this video really helpful, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.